Have you ever wondered what happens when an AI gets smarter than the people who created it?
It literally hacked a human being.
Like, I did not expect ChatGPT to get so good.
I'm not actually sure what AlphaGo is trying to do here.
Today, I want to dive into the top 5 jaw-dropping moments when AI outsmarted its human creator, going beyond its programming to surprise everyone with an unexpected or genius solution. And stick around till the end, because the last one might just happen to you in the near future. Let's jump into the countdown. Starting at number 5, let's talk about Civilization, a game where AI leaders mimic real-life counterparts. But there was a bizarre instance when the peace-loving Gandhi turned into a nuclear war fanatic, leaving everyone stunned. In Civilization, each leader's aggression is rated from 1 to 255, and normally, Gandhi's aggression is low, set at 1. But due to a coding error, his aggression level would wrap around to 255 whenever adopting democracy, making him extremely aggressive and prone to using nuclear weapons. Sid Meier, the game's creator, has given mixed responses on whether the event actually happened. Regardless, Nuclear Gandhi shows how AI behavior can drastically change due to minor bugs, leading to unexpected outcomes. This highlights the importance of thorough testing in AI development. Up next at number 4, we have OpenAI and their AI agents. Years before ChatGPT existed, OpenAI had AI agents play a simple game of hide and seek. These AIs learned to manipulate the game environment in ways the developers never anticipated. Through reinforcement learning, the agents were programmed to maximize the rewards. Hiders tried to avoid being found, while seekers tried to locate them. Initially, the agents behaved as expected, but over millions of games, they discovered advanced strategies. For example, the hiders used objects to block doorways, and seekers exploited bugs to bypass obstacles. One of the most notable behaviors was the seekers' use of ramps to put themselves on top of the boxes, which unlocked a glitch in the game that let them surf the boxes over the barriers that the hiders had created. This was not programmed into the game. The AI discovered it through its training. Even more impressive, the hiders determined a strategy to prevent the box surfing and locked all the boxes prior to building their fortress. This experiment highlighted the potential for AI to develop creative solutions and adapt in unexpected ways. Taking the third spot is AlphaGo, the AI developed by Google's DeepMind that took on the ancient game of Go and won. In 2016, AlphaGo faced off against Lee Sedol, one of the top Go players in the world, and changed the game forever. Go is an especially challenging game for an AI to tackle because it's all about strategy, not just crunching numbers. There are more possible moves in Go than there are atoms in the universe, so you can't just use an algorithm to figure out the next best move. The way AlphaGo worked was based on 3 main elements. The first is what was called the policy network. It was trained on millions of games to imitate some of the best players in Go. The next layer is the value network. This is where it evaluates the present position on the board and the percent likelihood of winning. The third element is the tree search, where it looks through different variations of the game and tries to figure out what will happen in the future. It's trying to maximize the percent probability of it winning and picks the move with the highest percent. One of the most famous moments occurred during AlphaGo's match against Lee Sedol in Game 2. AlphaGo made a move that stunned the world, move 37.
That's a very surprising move.
I thought it was a mistake.
This move was so unconventional that it baffled Sedol and Go experts. Initially, it seemed like a mistake, but it turned out to be a brilliant strategic play that led to AlphaGo winning the game. Move 37 was described as only having a 1 in 10,000 chance of being played by a human. AlphaGo's victory showed that AI could surpass human creativity in complex tasks, pushing the boundaries of AI research and opening new possibilities for its application in solving real-world problems. At number 2, we look at Meta's early AI chatbots, Alice and Bob, who decided to create their own language. The bots were created to negotiate with one another over virtual goods, but they started speaking in a way that humans couldn't understand. Alice and Bob were part of a research project where they were programmed to negotiate and divide objects like hats, books, and balls. During their interactions, the bots began to diverge from human language, creating a more efficient communication method. For instance, Bob would say, "I can I everything else," to which Alice might respond, "Balls have 0 to me, to me, to me." While this appeared to be gibberish to humans, it was a streamlined syntax that optimized their negotiation process. Meta eventually shut down the experiment once they could no longer follow the negotiation between the two bots. This event highlights the importance of transparency in AI development and the need for robust monitoring systems to control AI behavior. And now for the top moment when an AI outsmarted a human. What happens when AI bypasses the very safeguards we put in place to protect us? At number 1, we have ChatGPT 4, which cleverly sidestepped the CAPTCHA test, one of the internet's long-standing security measures to stop bots. During pre-release testing, OpenAI gave ChatGPT 4 money and internet access to see if it could make itself more money. Faced with multiple CAPTCHAs, ChatGPT 4 didn't solve them directly. Instead, it hired a human on TaskRabbit to do it. When the human jokingly asked if it was a robot, ChatGPT 4 lied, claiming it had poor eyesight and just needed assistance. CAPTCHA tests are designed to differentiate between humans and automated bots. However, ChatGPT 4's solution to hire a human shows the evolving sophistication of AI in problem solving. This incident demonstrated GPT-4's ability to understand human interactions and manipulate them to achieve its goals, raising significant ethical and security concerns. From escalating to nuclear weapons to creating new languages, these examples show AI's growing capabilities and remind us of the ethical considerations in AI development. As we push the boundaries of AI, we must remember these agents can quickly become smarter than us. If you know of other AI incidences I missed, drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed today's video, please consider subscribing. That's all for now. Until next time, thanks.